Welcome to the demo of the AI-assisted interview at NearTechPod. I'm going to show you how the tool works, how you will have to use this tool. The recruiter will share a link, and when you open the link in Chrome browser, you will get this page. You can enter your name here, a short name for reference. Once you log in, the Solara AI Recruiter gets connected, and it will greet you with an initial message.
Hello, Rathan R., and thank you for joining us today. You are being interviewed for the position of QA Engineer Trainee. To start, can you tell me a little about yourself and provide a brief background related to your experience in QA testing?
Once Solara completes its greetings, you can press the mic button and start to provide your response, audio response. There is a limit of 35 seconds for each response. If you are completing it before, you can click the pause button to submit your response, or automatically it will submit the response in 35 seconds. Also, while you have submitted your response, please wait for the Solara to come back with its follow-up question. Don't click the mic before it comes back, otherwise it will get overlapped, and that the behavior may be a little bit erratic. I'm going to click the mic and provide my response here. Hi, my name is Ratan. I have a BE in mechanical engineering degree. I have 2 years of experience. I have done manual testing and automation testing as an intern in a software company in Chennai. I also have taken quality assurance course. I'm looking forward to QA engineer roles. Thank you. Like that, I can submit my answer. Now, there is a bit of delay for the response from Solara to come back.
Thank you for the introduction, Rathan. It's great to hear about your background and your eagerness to pursue a QA engineer role. To begin with our technical discussion, could you explain what you understand by the software development lifecycle, SDLC, and its significance in the QA process?
Now I can click the mic again and provide my answer. SDLC, software development lifecycle, involves the creation of software from the requirement definition to design, development, unit testing, integration testing, and production release and maintenance. In this, from a QA perspective, we will have to be involved across the life cycle so that we can ensure a quality software, not just during testing, but also in other phases we need to be involved.
That's a thorough understanding of the SDLC and its importance in QA Rathan. Being involved throughout the lifecycle is crucial for ensuring software quality. Next, could you tell me about your experience with test case design? How do you approach writing test cases?
Yes, as part of my internship, I have done test case design as well. We need to first understand the software that is being tested, and we have to go through the specifications. And based on that, we need to design the test cases and validate the test cases with the development team. And once the code is ready, then we will be in a position to execute the test cases.
That's a solid approach to test case design, Rathan. Understanding the software and collaborating with the development team are essential steps to ensure effective testing. Now, can you explain how you identify and document bugs? What tools or methods do you use for bug tracking?
Mostly, we use the tools suggested by the project management and our clients. I have used Jira. I have used also homegrown tools. I'm also familiar with other tools like Polarian integrity for tracking defects.
It's good to know that you have experience with various bug tracking tools, especially Jira, which is widely used in the industry. Moving on, can you share your experience with automation testing? Which tools have you used and how have you applied them in your projects?
I've used Selenium. I'm currently learning Nightwatch.js. I use Selenium based automation for automating functional test cases, regression test cases.
It's great to hear that you have experience with Selenium for automation testing and that you're currently expanding your skills to include Nightwatch.js. For the final technical topic, could you describe a challenging testing scenario you faced and how you resolved it?
Sometimes we will be the applications may involve a desktop client-side component, not just a web application. So automating such use cases where such applications and use cases where desktop components are involved may be difficult and will require specialized tools. So in those cases, we will prioritize the ones that we could automate using the regular tool set, and for the others. So like this, sometimes if we speak longer, the answer will get submitted automatically. If whatever you have already given,
that's an insightful response, Rathan.
Then it is fine. Otherwise, you can add your response as a follow-up during the follow-up question as well. So I'm going to answer this question on the collaboration part. Yes, it is very important, especially for QA. It is important to have a better collaboration with stakeholders, especially the development team, so that we understand what needs to be tested, and also we are communicating to the development team so that the issues can be reproduced by the development team so they can fix it. We also need to work with the end users so they understand that we help them in user acceptance testing and other scenarios.
You've highlighted the significance of collaboration very well, Rathan. Strong communication between QA and development teams not only enhances the testing process, but also contributes to overall project success. To wrap up our discussion, could you explain how you prioritize your testing tasks when you're faced with tight deadlines or multiple project requirements?
I will normally use the critical path approach. So items that are in the critical path for production release or for the stakeholders' priorities, we will prioritize those tasks and testing tasks and complete them first. And then the most important ones in terms of impact, we will take up. After that, we will do the other housekeeping items.
Thank you, Rathan, for your thoughtful responses throughout our interview. It's been a pleasure learning about your experiences and knowledge related to the QA engineer trainee role. We appreciate your time today, and we'll get back to you shortly regarding the next steps in the hiring process. Have a great day.
Thank you. With that, the interview is over, and the team will communicate to the next steps. You can close the browser and stop the interview. Thank you.